Close your eyes. Imagine standing on a world different from our own. The ground beneath your feet isn't the familiar soil of Earth. The sky above doesn't hold our moon or the constellations we know. What do you see? What do you feel? Our solar system alone boasts a stunning diversity of planets. Gas giants with swirling storms dwarf our Earth. Rocky worlds bake under the intense glare of the sun. Icy moons hide vast oceans beneath their frozen surfaces. Each one a unique and alien landscape. Stepping onto another planet would be a humbling experience. It would force us to confront the vastness of the universe and our place within it. But it would also be a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, our drive to explore and understand the cosmos. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have looked up at the stars with wonder and ambition. The night sky, a tapestry of celestial fire, has sparked countless myths and stories. But beyond the myths lies a fundamental human desire to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and reach for new horizons. For centuries, that yearning remained confined to our imagination. We built telescopes, charted constellations, and dreamt of walking on other worlds. But the 20th century saw that dream begin to take physical form. We launched satellites, landed on the moon, and sent probes to distant planets, capturing breathtaking images and gathering invaluable data. These achievements were not merely technological marvels, they were testaments to human ingenuity and collaboration. They ignited a spark, a belief that perhaps one day we could extend our reach beyond Earth's cradle and establish a permanent presence among the stars. The 21st century has seen an explosion of interest in space exploration. Private companies have joined government agencies in the quest to push the boundaries of space travel. Reusable rockets, more efficient propulsion systems, and innovative spacecraft designs are making space more accessible than ever before. This resurgence in space exploration has reignited a bolder dream: space colonization. The idea of humans living and thriving on other planets, once relegated to science fiction, is now a topic of serious discussion. While enormous challenges remain, the prospect of establishing a permanent human presence beyond Earth is no longer a fantasy. It's a goal within our reach, potentially achievable within the 22nd century. Imagine future generations looking up at the night sky, not with a longing to reach the stars, but with the knowledge that humanity has already established a foothold among them. The cosmos is unforgiving. To survive and thrive in the harsh environments of other planets, we need to overcome a daunting array of challenges. The lack of breathable air, extreme temperatures, cosmic radiation, and the absence of readily available resources like water and food are just a few of the obstacles we face. However, human ingenuity is no stranger to overcoming obstacles. We're developing advanced life support systems that can recycle air and water, creating closed-loop ecosystems within our spacecraft and habitats. We're researching ways to grow food in space using hydroponics and aeroponics, freeing ourselves from our dependence on Earth's resources. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. Overcoming these obstacles will not only allow us to live on other planets, but will also lead to groundbreaking technologies and innovations that can benefit humanity here on Earth. Section 5: Technological Leaps and Cosmic Bounds. The journey to becoming a spacefaring species requires not just overcoming challenges, but also making groundbreaking technological advancements. These advancements are not just about reaching new destinations, but also about ensuring sustainability and efficiency in space. The 21st century has witnessed remarkable progress in areas crucial to space exploration and colonization. From advanced propulsion systems to life support technologies, every innovation brings us a step closer to making space our new frontier. Reusable rockets like those developed by SpaceX are drastically reducing the cost of launching payloads and humans into space. This innovation is making space missions more economically viable and frequent. 3D printing technology holds the potential to revolutionize construction in space, allowing us to build habitats and infrastructure using local resources. This means we can create sustainable living environments on other planets without relying heavily on Earth-based supplies. Advanced robotics and artificial intelligence will be instrumental in assisting humans with exploration and construction tasks in hazardous environments. These robots can perform tasks that are too dangerous or complex for humans, ensuring safety and efficiency. These technological leaps are paving the way for a future where space travel is no longer limited to highly trained astronauts, but becomes accessible to a wider range of people. Imagine a world where space tourism is as common as air travel today. Imagine tourists marveling at the rings of Saturn, experiencing the wonders of our solar system firsthand, scientists conducting groundbreaking research on distant moons, uncovering the secrets of our universe, and engineers building the foundations of a new society on Mars. These visions are no longer just science fiction but are becoming achievable realities through our technological advancements. Section 6. Beyond the Horizon, Future Missions. As our technology continues to advance, so too do our ambitions for space exploration. The innovations we see today are just the beginning of what is possible. While Mars remains a primary target for colonization, it's just one destination in the vast cosmic ocean. Our sights are set on many other celestial bodies, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, harboring vast subsurface oceans, beckon us with the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life. These moons could hold the secrets to life beyond Earth. Further afield, telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are peering deep into the universe, revealing thousands of exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. These discoveries fuel our imagination and inspire us to develop even more ambitious missions, pushing the boundaries of human exploration further into the cosmos. The dream of interstellar travel is becoming more tangible with each passing year. The future of space exploration is filled with possibilities. From establishing colonies on other planets to creating sustainable habitats in space, the potential is limitless. Perhaps we'll send robotic probes to Alpha Centauri, the nearest star system to our own. These probes could pave the way for future human missions. Or maybe, one day, we'll develop the technology to send humans on interstellar voyages, embarking on a journey to explore planets beyond our solar system. The quest for knowledge and discovery will drive us to new frontiers. Section 7. The Pioneers of a New Frontier. The first humans to colonize another planet will be more than just explorers. They'll be pioneers in the truest sense of the word. They'll face challenges and hardships unlike anything experienced on Earth, requiring not just technical expertise but also resilience, adaptability, and an unyielding spirit of collaboration. These pioneers will be a diverse group, representing the best of humanity. Engineers and scientists working alongside doctors and farmers, artists and teachers, all contributing their unique skills and perspectives to building a new society from the ground up. This new generation of spacefarers will need to be not only physically and mentally prepared for the challenges of living on another planet, but also emotionally intelligent. They'll need to be able to work together effectively, resolve conflicts peacefully, and maintain a sense of community and shared purpose in the face of adversity. Of what is possible. Knowing that the future of humanity is inextricably linked to our future in space, let us boldly go where no one has gone before and secure our place among the stars. We have the will to do what's necessary to secure our future. For many years, the idea of space colonies seemed like something out of a science fiction novel. But the reality is that space colonization is no longer a far-fetched dream. It's quickly becoming a tangible possibility, a near-future reality that we are actively working towards. The drive to explore and settle new frontiers is deeply ingrained in our DNA. It's what led our ancestors to populate every corner of the globe. And it's what will propel us beyond Earth. The ambition to establish a permanent human presence beyond Earth is no longer a question of if, but when. The technology required to build self-sustaining habitats in space is rapidly advancing. We're developing innovative solutions for growing food, generating energy, and recycling resources, all essential for long-term survival beyond Earth. We are on the cusp of a new era of exploration, one that will redefine our place in the cosmos. This isn't just about escaping the problems of Earth, it's about embracing the boundless opportunities that await us among the stars. It's about ensuring the survival and continued evolution of our species for generations to come. This is the future that awaits us, a future where humanity becomes a spacefaring civilization. Building a space colony is an undertaking of extraordinary complexity and scale. It's a challenge that will require the combined efforts of scientists, engineers, architects, and dreamers from all walks of life. Imagine constructing a miniature, self-sufficient world in the harsh and unforgiving environment of space. We need to address every aspect of human life, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. One of the primary challenges is creating a closed-loop system for essential resources like air, water, and food. We can't rely on constant shipments from Earth. We need to develop ways to recycle and regenerate these resources within the colony itself. This means designing advanced life support systems that mimic Earth's natural processes, such as growing plants for oxygen and food production. Shelter is another crucial consideration. We need to develop habitats that can protect colonists from the dangers of space radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeoroids. These habitats need to be more than just functional, they need to be comfortable and aesthetically pleasing, providing a sense of home and community for the people living inside. Then there's the question of energy. We need reliable and sustainable energy sources to power our colony. Solar power is a viable option, but we'll also need to explore other possibilities, such as nuclear fusion, to meet the energy demands of a thriving colony. Building a space colony is a monumental feat of engineering and human ingenuity, but the rewards are immeasurable. The year 2200 might seem far off, a date lost in the mists of the future. Yet, it's a date that holds immense significance for the future of humanity. The 2200 plan is a bold vision, a roadmap for our species to become a truly spacefaring civilization. It's a plan that outlines the steps necessary to establish a permanent human presence beyond Earth, not just for a select few but for thousands, even millions of people. This plan is not just about building space colonies, it's about building a new society, one free from the constraints of our earthly limitations. It's about creating a future where humanity can continue to thrive and evolve for centuries to come. The 2200 plan is a beacon, a testament to our potential as a species. The 2200 plan isn't just a flight of fancy, it's a call to action. It's a challenge to the best minds of our generation, and those that follow, to work together to make this vision a reality. It's a reminder that the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. Section 5. Choosing our celestial address, Mars or the Moon. The question of where to build our first space colony is a matter of intense debate and careful consideration. Two celestial candidates rise to the top of the list: Mars, the red planet, and the Moon, our celestial neighbor. Each holds its own allure and challenges. Mars, with its thin atmosphere, potential for water ice, and intriguing geological history, beckons us with the promise of a new frontier. Imagine terraforming Mars, transforming it from a cold, desert world into a habitable planet for future generations. The Moon, on the other hand, offers proximity to Earth, a significant advantage for communication and transportation. Its lower gravity well also makes launching payloads easier and more cost-effective. Imagine lunar colonies as stepping stones, hubs for further exploration deeper into the solar system. The choice of where to build our first permanent off-world home is a pivotal one. It will shape the future of human space exploration for centuries to come. Whether we choose the familiar terrain of the Moon or the alien landscapes of Mars, one thing is certain: the first step onto another world will be a giant leap for all humankind. Section 6. The ultimate road trip. Getting to our new home. The vast distances of space present a formidable challenge to our spacefaring ambitions. Traveling to Mars or the Moon is not like hopping on a plane. It's a journey of months or even years, fraught with challenges. Developing safe, reliable, and efficient spacecraft is paramount. Traditional chemical rockets, while powerful, are limited by their fuel efficiency. We need to explore new propulsion technologies such as ion propulsion or nuclear thermal rockets to shorten travel times and reduce the risks associated with prolonged spaceflight. Protecting our astronauts from the hazards of space travel is another crucial concern. Space radiation, bone density loss, and the psychological effects of prolonged isolation are just a few of the challenges we need to address. The journey to a new home among the stars will be an epic adventure, one that will push the boundaries of human ingenuity and endurance. But the rewards, the opportunity to establish a new home for humanity, make this ultimate road trip well worth the risks. But one that we must overcome to secure our future among the stars. Section 8. Building a new world infrastructure for space colonies. Building a thriving colony on another world requires more than just life support systems. It requires creating a new society from the ground up. We need to think about infrastructure, communication networks, power generation, and all the other elements that make up a functioning society. Imagine sprawling domes connected by underground tunnels, shielding colonists from the harsh external environment. These domes could house living quarters, research facilities, manufacturing plants, and even recreational areas, all designed to foster a sense of community and purpose. Power generation is crucial. Solar panels will likely be our primary source of energy, but we might also explore nuclear power options for their efficiency and longevity. Communication with Earth is also vital. We need to establish robust communication networks that can transmit data and messages across the vast distances of space without significant delays. Building a space colony is like constructing a miniature city on another world, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and thrive in the most challenging of environments. Section 9. A New Society in the Stars, Human Life in the Void. Living in space will fundamentally change us. It will alter our perspectives, our priorities, and perhaps even our physiology. As we adapt to a new world, we will create a new society, one shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of life beyond Earth. Imagine a society where resourcefulness, ingenuity, and a spirit of cooperation are not just desirable traits, but essential for survival. Imagine a society where the pursuit of knowledge and the exploration of the unknown are paramount values. Life in space will demand a new kind of social contract, one built on mutual respect, collaboration, and a shared commitment to the well-being of the community. It will be a society where the artificial boundaries of nations and cultures begin to fade, replaced by a shared identity as citizens of the cosmos. The human spirit, with its boundless capacity for adaptation and innovation, is our greatest asset as we venture beyond Earth. Life in space will be a testament to our resilience, our creativity, and our enduring drive to explore the universe and understand our place within it. For millennia, we've gazed at the stars. They've filled us with wonder, they've ignited our imaginations, they've whispered of possibilities beyond our world. Now the dream of reaching out, of touching those stars, is closer than ever. We stand on the precipice of a new age, one where humanity might leave its cradle and venture into the vast cosmic ocean. This isn't about escaping a dying Earth. It's about embracing our destiny. It's about the inherent human need to explore, to discover, to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's about ensuring the survival of our species by reaching for new worlds. The cosmos beckons. It whispers of challenges and promises. Are we ready to answer its call? Are we ready to leave Earth behind? The answer lies not just in our technological prowess, but in our courage, our wisdom, and our commitment to the future of humanity. The journey will be fraught with difficulties, with unknowns, with risks that will test the very limits of our ingenuity and resilience. But the rewards could be beyond our wildest dreams. We haven't ventured far, not yet. Our presence in space is still tentative, a fragile foothold on the edge of an immense abyss. The International Space Station, our outpost in low Earth orbit, stands as a testament to international collaboration and human ingenuity. It's a stepping stone, a laboratory where we learn to live and work in space, where we conduct experiments that are impossible on Earth. Robotic explorers, our emissaries to the unknown, are venturing further. They're roving across the surface of Mars, beaming back breathtaking images and invaluable data. They're studying distant planets and moons, unraveling the secrets of our solar system. These are baby steps, yes, but they are steps in the right direction. They are paving the way for bolder missions, for human exploration of Mars and beyond. Private companies are joining the space race, driven by the allure of space tourism and resource extraction. This commercialization of space, while potentially fraught with its own set of challenges, is injecting much-needed innovation and resources into the field. We are on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, one where the dreams of yesterday are becoming the realities of today. Thrive, not just survive beyond our home planet. The tyranny of distance. It's the single greatest obstacle to our exploration of the cosmos. Even at the speed of light, the fastest anything can travel, the distances between stars are immense. Our current chemical rockets, while impressive, are woefully inadequate for interstellar travel. A journey to our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, would take tens of thousands of years with current technology. To To truly become a spacefaring species, we need revolutionary propulsion systems. We need engines that can achieve a significant fraction of the speed of light. Scientists and engineers are exploring a range of possibilities: fusion rockets, antimatter propulsion, even the theoretical possibility of warp drives that could bend the fabric of space-time itself. These concepts are still in their infancy, requiring breakthroughs in physics and engineering. But the pursuit of faster-than-light travel is not merely a scientific endeavor, it's a testament to the indomitable human spirit, our refusal to accept limitations, our drive to explore the universe that is our birthright. The development of advanced propulsion systems will be a game-changer, opening up the cosmos to exploration and colonization in ways we can only imagine today. The psychological toll of long-duration space travel is as significant as the physical challenges. Confinement, isolation, the lack of familiar sensory input, these can have profound effects on the human psyche. Imagine spending months, even years, confined within the metal walls of a spacecraft, the vast emptiness of space, your only view. Maintaining mental well-being will be crucial for the success of future space missions. We need to develop countermeasures to combat the psychological stresses of space travel. Virtual reality environments could simulate the sights, sounds, and even smells of Earth, providing a much-needed connection to home. Advanced artificial intelligence could provide companionship and support. The selection and training of astronauts will need to go beyond physical and technical skills. Psychological resilience, adaptability, and the ability to work effectively as part of a team will be paramount. We are social creatures, hardwired for connection and interaction. Finding ways to foster these connections in the isolating environment of space will be critical to our well-being and the success of our extraterrestrial endeavors. Let's imagine for a moment that we've overcome the technological and biological hurdles of space travel. We've reached a new world, a planet or moon capable of supporting human life. What kind of society will we build? Will we repeat the mistakes of our past? Or will we create something new, something better? The challenges of establishing a new society on an alien world are immense. We'll need to develop sustainable food production systems, create habitats that protect us from the elements, and establish systems of governance that ensure fairness and equality. Cultural diversity will be a strength, not a weakness. The knowledge, traditions, and perspectives of people from all walks of life will be essential to building a thriving and resilient society. We must learn from our past mistakes, embracing inclusivity and celebrating our differences. Space colonization offers a unique opportunity to rethink societal norms and create a future where everyone has the chance to thrive. We cannot depend on Earth forever for resources. If we are to establish a permanent presence in space, we need to become a truly spacefaring civilization. This means utilizing the resources of the cosmos to sustain ourselves. Asteroids, those celestial bodies that have long captivated our imaginations, could hold the key to our future in space. They are rich in valuable minerals and resources, including water ice that could be used for drinking, growing crops, and even generating rocket fuel. 3D printing technology will be essential, enabling us to construct habitats, tools, and even replacement parts for our spacecraft from materials harvested in space. Closed-loop life support systems will be crucial, recycling air, water, and waste products with near-perfect efficiency. We must break free from our dependence on Earth's resources. We must learn to live off the land, so to speak, utilizing the bounty of the cosmos to build a sustainable future for humanity among the stars. The possibility of extraterrestrial life, perhaps the most profound question ever asked, has captivated humanity for centuries. Are we alone in this vast and ancient universe? Or are there other forms of life out there, perhaps even intelligent beings gazing up at the same stars and asking the same questions? The discovery of even microbial life on another planet would be a watershed moment, fundamentally altering our understanding of our place in the universe. It would prove that life is not unique to Earth, that it can arise wherever conditions are favorable. The implications of encountering intelligent extraterrestrial life are even more profound and potentially daunting. How would such a discovery impact our societies, our religions, our very sense of self? The search for extraterrestrial life is not merely a scientific pursuit, it's a search for ourselves, for our place in the cosmic tapestry, for answers to questions that have haunted us since we first looked up at the night sky and wondered if anyone was looking back. As we venture further into space, we carry with us a profound responsibility. The decisions we make today will shape the future of humanity and our relationship with the cosmos. The potential for the exploitation of resources, the disruption of alien ecosystems, even the possibility of interstellar conflict. These are not scenarios from science fiction. They are real ethical dilemmas that we must confront before we take our first steps on other worlds. We must establish a framework for responsible space exploration, one that prioritizes sustainability, respect for potential alien life, and the peaceful exploration and utilization of space for the benefit of all humankind. The vastness of the cosmos should inspire awe and humility, not greed and conquest. We must remember that we are not conquerors of space, but custodians, entrusted with the care and preservation of something far greater than ourselves. We stand at a crossroads, a pivotal moment in human history. The choices we make today will determine the course of our species for generations to come. Will we rise to the challenge, embracing the opportunities and responsibilities of our role as citizens of the cosmos? Or will we succumb to the challenges, retreating back into the relative safety of our home planet? The future of humanity in space is not preordained. It is a future that we will write, together through our actions and our choices. It is a future filled with challenges, yes, but also with unimaginable potential. It is a future where we can become a truly spacefaring species, exploring the wonders of the universe, unlocking the secrets of the cosmos, and perhaps one day, encountering other intelligent beings among the stars. The universe awaits. What will our legacies are as limitless as the universe itself. The year is 2400. Earth is no longer our only home. We have ventured beyond our cradle, established a foothold on distant planets, built cities beneath alien suns. Imagine bustling metropolises on Mars, their biodomes shimmering under a pale pink sky. Picture underwater habitats on Europa, where strange and beautiful creatures glide through the inky depths. Envision mining outposts on asteroids, harnessing the resources of the solar system. Is this our destiny? To become a multiplanetary species? To spread out across the galaxy, seeding life on new worlds? The possibility is both exhilarating and daunting. It is a future filled with both promise and peril. Imagine boarding a sleek spacecraft, its hull shimmering with the promise of adventure. The destination Proxima Centauri b, a planet orbiting our nearest stellar neighbor. The journey, a mere hop, skip, and jump away, thanks to the marvels of fusion-powered engines and artificial wormholes. Interstellar travel is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It is a reality, as commonplace as air travel is today. Families embark on interplanetary vacations, marveling at the rings of Saturn or the volcanic plains of Venus. Business people commute between Earth and lunar offices, their days filled with meetings and conference calls across the solar system. The universe is our oyster, and we are its intrepid explorers. Once, space travel was the exclusive domain of governments and billionaires. Now it is within reach of everyday people. The cost of space travel has plummeted, thanks to reusable spacecraft and advancements in propulsion technology. Space tourism is booming, with companies offering a range of experiences from orbital jaunts to lunar excursions. The dream of experiencing the overview effect, that profound shift in perspective that comes from seeing our planet from space, is no longer reserved for a select few. It is a transformative experience available to all, fostering a sense of global unity and environmental consciousness. Section 5. Bridging the Galactic Gap, Technologies of Tomorrow. None of this would be possible without groundbreaking advancements in technology. Fusion power, once a distant dream, now propels our spacecraft across unimaginable distances. Artificial wormholes, carefully constructed tears in the fabric of space-time, allow us to bypass the limitations of traditional travel. Advanced robotics and artificial intelligence handle the complexities of interstellar navigation and planetary terraforming. We are on the cusp of a technological renaissance, driven by our ambition to explore the cosmos and unlock its secrets. The future holds endless possibilities. Section 6. Children of Distant Suns, Evolving Humanity. As we venture beyond our home planet, the very essence of what it means to be human will undergo a transformation. Our journey to the stars is not just a quest for new frontiers, but a journey of self-discovery and evolution. Life on other planets will undoubtedly shape us in profound ways. The environments we encounter will challenge our bodies and minds, pushing us to adapt in ways we never thought possible. The vastness of space and the diversity of planetary conditions will become the crucible in which new forms of humanity are forged. The challenges of adapting to different gravities, atmospheres, and environments will drive evolutionary changes, leading to new human subspecies uniquely suited to their adopted worlds. Scientists will study these changes, documenting the emergence of new traits and abilities that will redefine what it means to be human. Imagine the Martians, their bodies adapted to the lower gravity, their skin pigmented to shield them from the harsh radiation. These adaptations will not only ensure their survival but will also give rise to new ways of living, working, and interacting with their environment. Picture the Europans, their eyes large and sensitive, adapted to the dim light filtering through the icy crust above their watery world. Their unique physiology will enable them to thrive in conditions that would be inhospitable to unadapted humans, showcasing the incredible versatility of our species. Our cultures, too, will evolve. The fusion of different planetary experiences will create a rich tapestry of traditions, beliefs, and practices. Each colony will develop its own unique identity, influenced by the environment and the challenges faced by its inhabitants. Exposed to new environments, new resources, and perhaps even new forms of life, our art, music, literature, and philosophies will be forever changed. Artists will draw inspiration from alien landscapes. Musicians will create new sounds influenced by the rhythms of distant worlds, and writers will explore themes of adaptation and survival in their works. We will become a tapestry of cultures, a symphony of human experiences, a testament to our adaptability and resilience. The story of humanity will be one of endless evolution, driven by our insatiable curiosity and our unyielding spirit. As we spread across the cosmos, we will carry with us the essence of what it means to be human, forever evolving, forever adapting, and forever reaching for the stars. Section 7. The challenges of new worlds. But this future is not without its challenges. Colonizing other planets will push the limits of our technology and ingenuity. We will face the dangers of cosmic radiation, the challenges of creating self-sustaining ecosystems, and the psychological impact of living in confined environments far from home. Resource scarcity, territorial disputes, and the potential for conflict between colonies are all challenges we must overcome. The vast distances between stars will make communication and travel difficult, potentially leading to isolation and the rise of distinct planetary cultures with differing values and beliefs. Section 8. The ethics of the cosmos, our place among the stars. The ethics of colonizing space are complex and multifaceted. As we stand on the brink of becoming an interplanetary species, we must consider the moral implications of our actions. Do we have the right to claim ownership of other planets, to stake our flags and declare new territories in the name of humanity? And what about altering their environments to suit our needs? The process of terraforming, while potentially beneficial for human survival, raises significant ethical questions. What if we encounter extraterrestrial life? The discovery of alien species would be one of the most profound events in human history. Will we approach them with curiosity and respect, eager to learn and share knowledge, fostering a spirit of cooperation and mutual understanding? Or will we let fear and aggression dictate our actions, potentially leading to conflict and misunderstanding? These are questions we must grapple with as we venture further into the cosmos. The decisions we make now will shape the future of humanity and our place in the universe. We must proceed with caution, humility, and a deep respect for the universe and all its wonders. Our actions should reflect a commitment to preserving the natural beauty and integrity of alien worlds. We must strive to be good stewards of the galaxy, ensuring that our presence among the stars is a positive force for life and knowledge. This means adopting sustainable practices and prioritizing the well-being of all life forms we encounter. By fostering a culture of respect, curiosity, and responsibility, we can ensure that our journey into the cosmos is not just about survival, but about thriving in harmony with the universe. Our place among the stars should be one of guardianship and enlightenment, paving the way for future generations to explore and cherish the vast expanse of space. Section 9. Towards a Galactic Future. The year 2400 is a crossroads for humanity. We stand on the precipice of a new era, an era of interstellar exploration and galactic civilization. The choices we make today will determine the course of our future among the stars. Will we embrace the challenges and opportunities that await us? Will we forge a destiny worthy of our dreams? The cosmos beckons. Our journey to the stars has just begun. Let us proceed with wisdom, courage, and a sense of wonder. For the future of